Hello, welcome to this video where I describe the project for HTML5. My name is Bernard Chelongo. I am the tutor in Programming with Berns. At Programming with Berns, we demystify the art of coding. And in this video, I describe the project that my students learning web development, front-end web development, are supposed to do after completing the HTML5 course. So this project is for a small restaurant website for a client, and the objectives of this project is that the student should be able to write a valid HTML5 code that conforms with the W3 standard. The student should be able to use appropriate tags for writing HTML pages. And the student should be able to add simple tables on a website, to add image on a website, add links on a website. The student should also be able to add media on a website, media such as video and audio or Google Maps. The student should be able to apply basic CSS styling as well as create basic form in HTML5. Those are the things that will be evaluated in this project. And the description of the project is this. A client by name Madame Ebanga is a CEO of Ebanga Cakes and Pastries. She has been using her WhatsApp status to advertise her business, but she has noticed that she has started getting orders from international clients. Now she thinks having a website will enable her reach a wider audience and even grow her business. She has contacted you. You have been learning web development, so she has contacted you to build this website for her. And she's provided you some requirements that she needs to have. And one of the first requirements is that the website should have 4 pages. The home page, the menu page, the contact page, and the booking page, of which she has given you the description and specification for each page, as you can see here. On the home page, this will be the main page, the first page that is seen when the web page loads, and it should contain a small text describing her business with a small audio of the same description. She has provided you the audio. And the audio can be found in audio, and then you see audio description. She has given you the audio in MP3. And if you have done web development HTML, you know when you want to embed audio, you need to convert this to 1 or 2 formats before you embed them. And she also wants that on the home page, people can go to her YouTube channel. And for this project, use this URL as the link to the YouTube channel. She's also provided you an image of herself, and she wants that for all the things that she's selling, there should be a small image of the item, the title of it, and a small description. Her image is, you can find her image here under Images, CEO. This image is the image of Madame Ebanga. This image does not exist. I scrapped it online. So it's just fictitious. You just need to know how to add an image. She also wants that, she has also given you the contents for all these items. The item name, the image of the item, and the description. You can find all of these inside products.json. She provides it in like this in a JSON file. For example, on the first product you have banana cake. This is a small description about banana cake here, and the image of banana cake. You can find the image here inside when you see here images slash. So you go to the images directory and you get banana cake there. She also wants you to have the logo on the page like this, and she has provided you with the logo. The logo is here, and it's also inside images, then logo.png. Another requirement for her homepage is that you should be able to reach all the other pages. It shall contain links to the other pages. You should be able, when you click on menu, you should go to the menu page. You click on contact, you should go to the contact page. If you click on book, you should go to the booking page. So this menu item should be in this home page. So this is a sketch of the home page that she has provided for you. Normally when you become a developer, you will need to do this yourself. But from the description of the client, you should be able to come up with a sketch like this and present to the client. When they're happy, you proceed. But this has been provided for you in this project. On the menu page, it shall contain the menu of the different items offered each day and also the links to other pages. You see here, this menu is bold because you are currently on this menu. You see everything on the page is the same except our products. So on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, she has the different items that she's selling and the costs. So you need to present this in a very nice format as you have already learned in HTML. As a hint, this should be a table. And on the contact page, this page should contain their contact information as well as Google Maps direction to her shop. It shall also contain links to the other pages. Unfortunately, this is not showing, but we have it here. This one is menu and this is contact. In the contact page, here you see that they have their opening time, Madame Ebanga Cakes and Pastries. They have an opening time Monday to Friday, this, and Saturday they have this time, and Sunday they have this time. Their email, phone number, visiting address, and a Google Maps. This Google Maps should contain this address. If you click on the Google Map, it should take you to the Google Maps direction. And last but not least, we have the booking page. This page shall contain a form where users or customers can order the items that she's selling. And it shall contain links to other pages. As you can see, when you click on the booking, you are currently in the booking, that's why it's highlighted. If you click on contact, you should go back to contact as you've seen, as I've described in the other sketches. So this is the form where users can order cakes or food items from Ebanga Cakes and Pastries. So you have the full name, the email address, the phone number, the kind of food, all the food items that we have in the menu. It should be here as a drop-down list. The delivery address, this can be a place like, maybe if this is Cameroon, you can say this is Moliko and the city is Boya. And this means this delivery address is the street and house number that should be here. You should also specify the date and the time where this order needs to be deposited, and you click order. The order button should be there. And that is it for the different views that Madame Ebanga wants for her website. She also has some non-functional requirements that she has provided. She wants the background color of the page to be light blue, like you see on the sketch. This color like this, it looks like light blue. It's really not blue, but I'm not very good at colors, so she has also provided you with this color code so you can use. It makes life easy for you. And the bottom of the page or the footer should contain the text at copy 2023 Ebanga Cake and Pastries, all rights reserved. As you see in all the sketches, you have this message here. So she wants it to be like that in all the pages. And this bottom section or the footer of this website should have the light gray color, and she has provided you the color code. Evaluation criteria. How do you know that your code or you have passed this project? Your code should pass the W3 HTML5 validator standards. Everything should be green as you have seen in the course. Your website should look as it is in the sketch, and you should publish your website at GitHub or any other publicly hosting provider where I can access it or any other person can access it. To wet your hands a little bit further, you should also provide a favicon on this website. You can read more about what the favicon is, and for this website, the favicon has been provided for you. It is here, and you should also add at least 2 other meta tags apart from the meta tag that you have been using. Like this, you've been using meta child set UTF-8. So you should read more about meta tags and add at least 2 more of them. There are many that you can add. So the requirement is just to add 2, and you should read more about it. Yes, so that is it about the project. So the next question is, how do you get the project? So when you go to github.com/programmingwithberns, you will come here. You'll see terminal fundamentals, you'll see web programming. If you click web programming and you come here, there is a green thing here, green button that says code. If you know how to use GitHub and you have it on your computer, you can click on this to clone the project. Otherwise, what you will do is you click on the download zip. I repeat, you go to this green, click on download zip. I click on download zip. You see it down here. It is downloaded. And if I open it up on my Finder, I open the project, and you will see inside here we have the HTML5 project. The HTML5 project. I can open this now with my VS Code, my code editor. So you can see what I'm doing. I have to open that. So this one is what was the name again? Web Programming. Yes. And if I open this with my code editor, this is how the project looks like in VS Code. So all the images are here. CEO, cookie beans, jollof rice, and the products are inside this JSON file. The product name, product description, and the image. The image, you see there, you see images, banana cake. So you come to images and banana cake, you get the image, put it in your website. And the second one is cookie beans. This is the title. This is the title. I show you, this is where you have to put it. In the home page, you have image. So you have here the image will be, for example, cookie beans.jpg. The title will be cookie beans, and the description will be whatever is here. You just copy this and paste that. Using appropriate HTML tags to make it look exactly as you see on this home page. That is it. This is the instruction tool in PDF. You can open this with PDF and you read it offline. So I have it opened. So this is it in PDF. But in the PDF, the links do not work because it takes the absolute path of my machine. So I advise you to, if you open this on VS Code, you open the instructions.md. It is written with a language that we call Markdown. And on VS Code, you will see this button here. If you click on it, then you have this very nice view. I close this one and I close like that. So we have the view like this. Good luck with the project. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to call, write, text, or whatever. And you have up to 31st of May to deliver this project. So you have exactly 2 weeks for you to do this.